The Indian Air Force and Indian Navy has inducted the Rampage long-range supersonic air-to-ground missiles, which can hit targets at 250 kilometers. It has been integrated into Su-30 MiG-29 and Jaguar strike aircraft of the Air Force, while the Navy has integrated it into its MiG-29K fighters. Citing military experts, Washington Post has acknowledged that the Russian S-400 air defense system can track and target stealth fighter jets, including the American F-35 Lightning II, which signals a departure from the usual Western skepticism regarding the S-400's prowess in countering stealth technology. The president of Azerbaijan has once again issued a stern warning to countries including India against supplying defense equipment to Armenia, and he hinted at the possibility of taking decisive action if the perceived threat to Azerbaijan's security persists. The DRDO is all set to integrate Rudram 3 hypersonic air-launched ballistic missile on Su-30 aircraft, and it will take 1 year to be completed, as changes need to be done on various systems of the aircraft. According to a Filipino defense analyst, the recent delivery of Brahmos supersonic cruise missiles from India to the Philippines has sparked a wave of confidence within the Philippines military. Turkey has embarked on an ambitious program to develop and construct its first indigenous aircraft carrier that will have a displacement of 60,000 tons with stow-bar configuration. A Chinese spy ship Xiangyang Hong 3 has docked in Maldives, and the pro-China Maldives government has not disclosed the reason for its return. Indian space startup GalaxEye is developing the world's first multi-sensor imaging satellite for the Indian Armed Forces, and the first launch is expected in early 2025. India and Mozambique held a defense industry interaction event, which served as a platform for the public and private defense companies to connect with Mozambican counterparts, to explore potential avenues for collaboration. French firm Dassault Aviation has reportedly conveyed to Indian Air Force and Ministry of Defense officials that it can begin Rafale production in India, but with one key condition, which is after acquiring a 100% stake in Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited. Upon receiving full ownership, Dassault has claimed that the Indian facility could achieve a production rate of 2 Rafale jets per month, which translates to potentially delivering the entire 114 MRFA fighter jets within 5 years. The Indian government and Air Force will carefully evaluate Dassault Aviation's claims and weigh them against other contenders before making a decision. The executive vice president of Larsen & Toubro has said that if their joint bid with Navantia is chosen, the company promises nearly 60% of the components used in the 6 S-80 plus submarines will be sourced locally. An Indian Navy team has now reached Spain to evaluate the third-generation AIP system that has been offered with the S-80 plus submarine, which features advanced combat system, enhanced stealth, bioethanol-powered AIP system and high survivability. The Indian Air Force is partnering with the indigenous defense production industry to design and develop a common air-to-ground launcher for its Su-30 fighter jets that will enable the aircraft to carry a wider range of weapons and pods based on mission requirements. 2 launcher versions are planned, one for air-to-ground stores and another for air-to-air missiles, and this versatility eliminates the need for multiple launchers and simplifies operations. Today's top 3 comments.